Hey everybody, welcome to the Chocolate Lake. I'm going to show you how to start this engine. It's a Suzuki 115 and the first thing you want to do is attach yourself to this lanyard. This could save your life, it could save somebody else's life. This is a safety feature. If you fall or fall out of the boat or something happens weird, it's going to pull and it's going to kill the engine. So make sure that's clipped in. The boat won't start without it. And also have your life vest on. So what you're going to hear is, in the beginning, is you're going to hear a beep and it should turn off. That's just the system checking to make sure everything's okay. If it is okay, then all the lights will turn off and you won't hear anymore and you can start the engine. So there you go. We're all good. Turn the key. There he goes. All right. Right now I have the trim down, and here's the trim on the throttle. So if you were in shallow water or just coming off of your trailer, you would probably have it up higher. But since I'm already in the water, I'm going to put it down. And right now I am almost at the shoreline, so I'm going to start off slow, just throttle up, turn the boat.